Welcome to day 4, and today we are going to speak about the body language secret. Speak without saying a word. So I hope you all have finished all the challenges which I have asked you all to do. So I'm waiting for your comments to come. So please do comment so that I also get to know that how it is helping you and whether you all are doing your challenges, because just watching my videos will not help until and unless you master each and every challenge which I give you. So before wasting any time, let's begin. Before you speak, your body has already spoken. How? Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and instantly feel their confidence? We have seen Kapil Sharma ka jitna bhi shows hai, if you see, there we can see when the celebrities are walking in, they are walking with full of confidence, right? They didn't say anything, but you could feel it that they are confident, they can speak properly, they are awesome. That's body language. In fact, more than half of our communication is not your words, is how you stand, how you move, and how you look. I might look horrible now. It's okay. But still, I am helping you all to, speak properly in public so that you don't mumble or you don't get tensed. Yeah, that is my confidence which I have in myself. Okay, better not to bag myself up. So let me show you the difference. You know, closed body, shoulders down, no eye contacts, like you avoid the eye contacts, hand hidden. Yeah. And now watch when a body is open, the straight posture, moving your shoulders up, and you speak with your hand gestures, your eye contact is straight. So the same person with different ways has a lot of impact. You can try these two. I don't want to put any picture or anything. Just try these two things. It will impact a lot. You will understand. So here's your shift for today. Don't just focus on what you say, but but focus on how you show up. You know, because people don't just listen to you, they read you, the way you walk, the way you stand, the way you move your hands, everything matters a lot. You put a pause, you do a voice modulation, but your body should also speak. So, your day 4 challenge for today is to stand in front of the mirror or any camera and look straight. Do the eye contact directly. Speak anything, keep your shoulders open, speak with lot of hand gestures, simple gestures you can use, and speak for 1 minute. Anything, whatever is there in your mind, just speak. So avoid looking down. Yes, that matters a lot. Don't look down. Don't put your hands folded. It matters a lot. Always keep your hands open because it means that you are welcoming everything. There shouldn't be much movement, but yes, you should be at your best. These signals will show the fear if your words are strong or not. You might need lot of practice, but yes, if you practice, you will be successful. So confident speakers don't just practice words, they practice their presence also. So now your day 4 challenge I have given. So comment once you are done seeing the video, and no quitting please, because you have reached towards the end. So I want you to complete this. I'm making this video in a very short form so that you can easily understand things. Yeah. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.